Yo, today is Cinco de Mayo. My plan is pretty much the same as last shift. Do Uber and earn by time up until like 9 o'clock-ish when the liquor store opens, and then hope that I score big on those alcohol orders. But I did get my first order. We've got a McDonald's, $9 going 5 miles.
Uber Eats?
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Mirador, huh? Okay. Oh, of course it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. And we got the next order right away. We've got Wendy's going 10 miles. Or not. It just disappeared from my phone. I mean, I'm totally okay with this. I would rather not do that order. We got an IHOP going 11 miles. Like, at this point, I should have just taken the Wendy's. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Why do I feel like this is a no tipper? Oh, never mind. Actually, a really good tipper. Total ended up being $15. I still don't know if that was actually worth it though, because I'm so far away from my zone. Just got the next order. We've got a McDonald's, $9 going 4 miles. Hello. Thank you. We just got the next order. We got Wendy's going 5 miles. Place your bets now. Am I gonna have to wait longer than I should?
Alright. Got you checked in. Go ahead and go forward to the same window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
So there's a coffee and an orange juice. Do you want a drink carrier?
No, that's fine.
Good luck.
Do you have napkins by chance? I just spilled coffee in my hand.
Napkins? Sure, yeah.
The answer was yes, I did have to wait longer than I should have. And luckily that coffee was not that hot, because I barely felt that burn. It says it's dark and you can't see the address. Like, okay, you acknowledge it being an issue, and yet you don't fix it. Like, isn't that something that you would want visible? Not even just for me, like for you. What if you're waiting on an important mail or a package or something? Like, you're just gonna want somebody to guess where you live?
Morning.
Hello, morning.
Thank you.
There you are.
Oh, there we go. Have a good weekend.
You as well, thank you. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I just got dunked on by that tree. So much water just went down my back. Total ended up being $7 for that one. Just got the next order. This is Mr. Maple Donuts going 3.5 miles. Eesh.
All boys.
This one? Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You as well. It says, if possible, could you get 2 puppuccinos, please? Unfortunately not. I'm sorry. Total ended up being $8, and we got the next order. This is Jack in the Box going 4.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good.
You too. Hand it to me. Oh my goodness. Why would you tease me and tell me to leave it at the door? You know I wanted to see you. Total ended up being $6 and change for that one. And we just got a Victorico's going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Holy, is there not a character limit on this? Bro just typed a whole dictionary. Total ended up being $7 for that one. Just got the next orders. Looks like a stack going to two different people, two different restaurants. We've got an alcohol pickup and Black Rock Coffee. $11 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. And then just a scribble in there for me. Not quite what I'm on the hunt for right now, but we've got a McDonald's, $7 going 2 miles.
Thank you for your week. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Just got the next order. We've got a Jack in the Box, $9 and change, going 3 miles. Is that together?
Yeah. How are you?
Good, you?
You're welcome. Cheers.
Have a good one. There's got to be like a special promotion or something going on with Wendy's because I'm just getting spammed with their trash orders. But in the midst of all that, I got a McDonald's, $10 going 3 miles. Thank you.
Safe travels.
I just got a stacked order. Looks like going to two different people. We've got Five Guys and Noodles and Company. $16 and change going 6 miles. Not the greatest. Just because Five Guys I know is going to be a bit of a wait because they don't start the fries until you get there. Which I'm technically here, but they got to see me inside. So let's go inside. Thank you. Hello. Yes, for Jessica. Thank you. You too. That Five Guys order was a $1 tip, and the Noodles and Company order was $11 tip. That's disgusting. Anyways, I'm gonna call it here because I am starving. Current time is 11:10. Total, we are at 118. Things did not go as I planned it once again, but that's all right. I still made my money. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.